Morning, everyone. This is Jarhead0331 from grogheads.com. Playing around with latest build of Star Citizen. This is version 2.1. Just walking around the Star Dock at this point. Heading to my ship. I apologize in advance. I don't really know what I'm doing in this game yet. And I'm pretty unsophisticated with respect to making videos, but I'll do my best and try not to bore you. So everyone knows the big controversy with this game. It's raised literally millions and millions and millions of dollars. I think they're over 100 million at this point. And for a really long time, it was very behind schedule, and there wasn't really much to show for all the money. In fact, I had deleted and uninstalled completely my early alpha build of the game in disgust. I really didn't think Chris Roberts and RSI was going to be able to deliver, but with the release of 2.1 of the alpha, things have really started to get exciting. And with 2.1, it feels really stable, and I'm really excited about things to come. If Chris Roberts pulls this off, it could very well be one of the greatest spaceflight simulations of all time. Definitely something to rival Elite Dangerous, which I think is a spectacular game at this point.
Aegis Combat Assist activated. Systems green.
So I do have my track IR activated right now, but it does not seem to be working, so I'm going to have to look into that.
Landing gear retracted. Contact
See why that
AP
might be.
deactivated.
I'm pretty sure it's been implemented at this point, but I could be mistaken about that, so I'll let you guys know. So up until this flight, I've really only been comfortable flying around the space station here. I haven't really wanted to get into any combat because, quite frankly, I don't know what's going to happen if I lose my ship. And obviously with the control settings, I'm a little
Shields recharging.
a little uncomfortable, but you know, I can't just fly around doing nothing for too long without getting bored. So I figure it's time to really start exploring in this game.
Contact.
And
Begin scan.
I want to try out the long distance travel option. So I think if I press the B key, which I just did, we've got all these options and places to go. So I don't know if this is like star lanes or if I could reach any point in space, kind of like you can in Elite, or if you can really only travel to select destinations. I'm really not too sure how that's all supposed to work. Most of these destinations don't sound really exciting, but let's try this security post.
Shields up.
I'm not even sure how to select this destination. Let's see in the options. Sorry again to bore y'all. Let's see. Quantum travel system toggle.
Contact. Begin scan.
I suspect maybe
Quantum travel
that.
initiated.
Away we go. So I can fire my weapons. We've left the relative safety
Travel
of the
complete.
initial space platform. And here I am in a totally different region of space. Let's test out some guns. Nice. Well, the planet looks exquisite, as you can see. Something big hit it at some point in its history. For a quick ship, I feel like I'm moving quite slowly. I'll have to look into that as well. Again, I'm in the Avenger Stalker. It's this little guy. It's a single-seat fighter craft. It's actually known as an interdictor.
Contact. Begin scan.
I had upgraded from my starter ship, which was an Aurora LN. I fed this game another $20. I figured it's made it to the point where I was comfortable doing that. And here we are. I'm looking forward to seeing what this thing can do. So, I don't know how one would land on this thing. There's some pads right there.
Landing mode engaged.
Check this place out. I'm going to set her down, go inside, see what's going on, and then I'll check back with you with another video at some point when I'm ready to get into combat.
Landing gear deployed. Landing complete.
That's I actually remembered to shut my rear ramp this time. Last time I took off, as many of you were quick to note, I was flying around with this door open. I suspect in many circumstances in the void of space that could be catastrophic, but being that I'm in a spacesuit with a space helmet, I survived. And I learned my lesson. So there's someone else. Look at the thrusters from the jet spooling like that. It's really cool. That looks like an Aurora. One of the setups of the ship I traded my Avenger for. That's pretty cool. Wow. There's so many ship options at this point with so many more to come, and I marvel at how much some of them cost. It's in real dollars. It's really crazy. But I think most of us are older, more mature gamers. We've been with the Wing Commander series for a long time, and I guess we all have jobs, and we've made it to the point in our careers where we have the money to spend. So that's a good thing. Well, I'm going to stop recording at this point, and when I find something that I think is interesting to show you guys, I'll start recording again. So thanks for watching, and I'll post a link for this in our computer gaming forums over at grogheads.com, and hopefully we can chat about it in one of the threads over there. See you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.